Time to start all over and go for it.
Alright, you guys, so basically makeup, no makeup look. I'm gonna wear these glasses today. If you haven't seen my Zilu glasses haul or try on, make sure you check that video out. That's why I'm always switching up my glasses. I do have prescription in mine, but you can get them without prescription as well. Their links will be in the description box below, discount code and everything below. But I'm going to wear my black one since I'm wearing black. Fragrance of the day, Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. Let me put a little bit more, actually. I already sprayed some, but I'm going to end up changing this for later. But so yeah, that is it. Chill Sunday morning. You guys want to see what Babe is wearing?
Chill Sunday morning. I'm representing the culture, you know. Happy Sunday, everybody. And for me, Dior Blue was the cologne of choice for Sunday morning. First Sunday of the year, so I like to kill him with the native.
Kill him? Okay.
Kill him with the native, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Yoruba Nigerians, you know. But I'm not going to hold you all. We're running late. We should be in church in the next 10 minutes.
All right, guys. So we are back from church. And I'm going to eat some salad. So I wanted to show y'all. I think I mentioned this in the last clip. There was this buffalo chicken salad that I came up with just off of the items in my freezer, in my refrigerator, whatever. So I'm going to eat a salad before we head out to a birthday party. We have a event to go to later on today, and I'll show y'all my outfit and all that, but I just didn't want to eat this salad in my outfit. But let me show you this salad because it's chef's kiss. But this time I didn't add onions and I added croutons, so I like swapped a few things, and I'm going to use Caesar dressing as opposed to ranch dressing. But let me show you, y'all. This right here is a good salad. So this chicken, it's like a patty that comes like this. Let me show y'all those. It's a spicy chicken patty by Tyson's. Hold on. So it's this Tyson's spicy chicken patty, right? Put one of those in the air fryer, which is here. And I just put some croutons. I need to fix my salad up just for the aesthetics. I put some croutons, it's spring mix in here, along with kale, cucumber, and tomato, and then some Parmesan cheese, because you just gotta have the cheese. I don't care, I gotta have the cheese. So yeah, this is gonna be a quick little lunch brunch because it's 1 o'clock. The event we're going to starts at 4, but you know. So I'm gonna actually dress this with the Panera Caesar dressing. I only have a little bit left, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on here, and this is gonna be lunch. But yes, if you have some chicken patties in your freezer that you just like, you done with eating the regular on bread, throw that joint on top of the salad and have your nice salad. Okay, so I'm about to eat this, and I'll check back in with you guys once I get ready for the event a little bit later. Look at Babe's outfit. OOTD sandals, white jeans, looking good. So we made it to the event, the birthday event. So I'll show you guys my outfit. Oh, maybe Babe can get me. So my outfit is from Zara. My shoes are from Macy's. My bag is from Aldo. And these earrings, I can't remember, they're so long. Oh. Bracelet, watch, Kate Spade, Alex and Ani. But yeah, so we are ready to go inside. This is actually really comfortable. I talked about this in my last vlog, so go back and check that vlog out, but it was from the Zara sale. Not bad. So I'll see you guys when we get inside.
doctor when paper ain't fair.
Get to the doctor. Get to the doctor.
We not done.
Get to the doctor.
Say what?
Get to the doctor.
Come on. Get to that what?
We going up on Yetunde's birthday.
Hey.
Oh, girl, it's your dirty Thursday. We can't wait to see you shine. The doctor's in the house. She got brains and she fine. You look good on you. Next year, we gonna put that hood on you. White coat with the stethoscope. All your enemies won't cope. Come on.
Get to the doctor.
Come on. Who the doctor?
Get to the doctor.
Whew. We had a time last night. A time yesterday, a time the day before that. Your girl is tired, okay? We've been outside this year. That's all I can say. That's really all I can say. And I'm truly grateful to be a part of so many of my close family members, friends, celebrations. It's just been an amazing summer. Church events. It's just been an awesome summer so far, but your girl's ready for fall. I'm sorry for all of the remaining summer babies, but I'm ready for fall. It is my favorite season of all time. I'm ready to bring out these boots, sweaters, jackets, layer it up. But it is Monday, so I'm sounding a little froggy. I'm tired, but I'm about to make me my coffee and we're going to get this day started, get this work week started. So yeah, let me make this coffee and then check back in with you guys a little bit later. I am going to be, I showed you guys how I made a buffalo chicken salad on the last vlog. So we're going to do a jerk shrimp one probably today. I'm going to get back to my water intake because I feel like I didn't have a lot of water. This past weekend, but we back to the big girls. I'm going to be getting my water in for today throughout the week and things like that. So definitely going to be doing that. So yeah, let me make this coffee and get on with this day. All right, lunch is up. Quick salad with some jerk shrimp. Bon appetit. I'm super excited about this. I don't understand why I can't close out the vlogs because I'm thinking that some of my clips could be too short. I don't know, you guys let me know. But as I'm editing this vlog, that salad was really good. I didn't do much the remaining of that day. I went and checked out a Sephora that was in the Coles, and that was pretty much it for that day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun vlog. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, definitely helps your girl out. And stay tuned, make sure your post notification bell is on because I am bringing out the rest of the month that I've been doing things. Vlogs are coming up next, so make sure you have your post notification bell on and you are subscribed, okay? Thank you all so much for your continuous support. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.